Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to your continuation of lowest common multiples. Today we're looking at finding the LCM, or lowest common multiple, of numbers that have 2 digits, like 12 and 15. Remember, multiples are, I think of them as skip counting. So like multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Multiples of 8 would be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So we're skip counting. So we're basically seeing how many times do we need to skip count to get to the same number. So we're going to do that for 12 and 15. When we have double digits, we get to use the blue pegs and the green ones. Okay, so let's start with 12. 12 is 1, 10, and 2 units, like that. Then we go to 15. We need to make sure we start on the same line. 15 is 1, 10, and 5 units. All right, are they the same? Nope, not yet. So we add to the one that's the lowest, or the smallest. 12 is the smallest. We need to add another 12. 1, 10, oops, and 2 ones. Oh, they're still not the same. Now 15 is smaller. So we need to add 1, 10, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what's different here is now you need to exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones is the same as 1, 10. So I'm going to take these out. And put in 1, 10, like that. And I'm going to keep going. Now so we've got 30 here and 24 here. So now we need to add 1 to the 12. 1, 10. Okay, so we've got 36 and 30, which means we need to add a 15. Now we've got 45 and 36, so we need to add 1 to the 12. 1, 10, 2 ones. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so we're at 48 and 45, which means we need to add to the 15. 1, 10, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we need to do some exchanging. 10 ones is equal to 110. So we've got 60 here and 48 here. So we need to add 12 more. So 110, 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to exchange. 10 ones is the same as 110. Look at that. They are equal. So the lowest common multiple, or the LCM, for 12 and 15 is 60. Pretty cool. Now you don't have a pegboard at home like we talked about last week, so you can do this work with your graph paper using something like this. So you need green and blue colored pencils. as well as a pencil with an eraser. So we always start with our smallest one, and I'm going to color this in lightly because I'm going to color the ones in lightly because as you see, we have to do some exchanging. So we'll have to do some erasing, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's first by doing 12s. That's 1 10. My 10s can be shaded in normally. And 2 1s. I'm going to shade my greens in lightly because I'll eventually be erasing them when we have to exchange. Our 15s, 1 10, and 15 ones. I mean 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we go again. 12 needs another. 1 10, 2 units, and then our 15 needs one. 1 10, 5 units. So now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We're going to exchange these 10 ones for 1 10. So I am going to use my eraser and the best I can erase. This is why you want your green at first to be light so that you can erase easily. We're going to exchange those 10 ones for 1 10. We're going to keep going. So we've got 30 and 24. Since the 12 is lower, we're going to add that. We've got 1 10, 2 1s. So we've got 36 and 30. That means the 15 we need to add 1 10, 5 1s, so we've got 45 and 36 to add 1 to the 12. One 10, 2 1s. So we've got 45 or 48 and 45. Let's add to our 15. 1 10, 5 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We've got 10 ones, which means we can exchange them. 10 ones. You can exchange for 1 10. So now we've got 60 here and 48 here, so we need to add to the 12. 1 10 and 2 1s. Now we've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we can erase those 10 ones and exchange it for 1 10. There might be a little bit of green residue left over, but it clearly looks erased, so I'm okay with that. There we go, and we ended it at 60 or 6 10s. So our LCM is equal to 60. All right, there is a list of 4 more numbers, 4 more pairs of numbers. Choose 3 of them to find the lowest common multiple of those pairs. Thanks.